Hi guys, good morning. Naka-experience na ba ka na nag-plan ka for tomorrow, plan ka for your future, plan ka what will happen next. But naka-experience pod ba ka nga sa imong mga ginaplano, wala ka bantay nga it will create you a worry. Worry nga maabot sa time nga maratol na ka, ma-depress na ka, or mag-struggle na ka. So, I am not sharing this verse to encourage you na mag-stop na kag-plan, but it talks about how you improve your planning. By the way, it's Hesi, and good morning to each and everyone. So, this verse is very important because it is written by Matthew, but it was personally said by Jesus. And this verse, makita ni siya sa Matthew chapter 6, verse 34. And this is very important because God is omniscient, including Jesus. He knows your future. He knows what will happen next. That's why God knows na grabe jud ta pag mag-worry. That's why personally niya pag-ingon nga, hey, instead of worrying, do not worry. Instead of worrying, trust God. Because this doesn't talk about how you plan. It talks about how you trust God more than you plan. Remember, sa itong mga plano, sometimes mahitabo, sometimes it will not happen, sometimes it may fail. But when you trust God, better things is coming. So, Jesus said, instead of worrying, trust God. Trust God more than you plan. God bless us all.